Yo guys, what's up again? So we're gonna do some vlog. We're gonna we're gonna steal somebody's plant by using only raccoon. So let's start the video. Yo, this guy's plant is so good, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Damn, bro. If he had candy blossom, he can get so many money, bro. Wish I was like that. Haha. Bro, my friend is here. Yo, yo, bro. Hang bro, ano yung hat? I wish he give me, haha. Bro, please, please, please. Uy, 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 uy. By the way, guys, what is so... Bro, this guy is so good. What the hell, bro? Bro, what kind? Bro. Guys, by the way, who speak Tagalog? Because I'm a Tagalog. Yo, he literally gave me. Thank you so much. Let's see what. Oh my god, bro. Nothing. Bro, this is not like not a. Bro, it's only nice. Bro, what kind coconut? Bro, this is so crazy. So good, bro.